How to sell your hamster token. First, we will start by selling our token, and here's how to sell your tokens. And for this illustration, we will be using the Bybit exchange. It is also the same process on other platforms. Immediately you launch your Bybit application, click on the assets over here. After clicking on the assets, scroll down a bit and you'll see this unified trading over here. Click on it. Now, you should be seeing your hamster token here if you have any. Click on your hamster token. When you get here, click on hamster/USDT. What we want to do now is to sell our hamster token. Click on Sell over here. Now, I'd like you to pay attention to this section over here. For your token to be sold, the details in this section must be the same value or less than the value as the current price over here. While this orange section indicates how many tokens you will like to sell, for this tutorial, I'll be selling all the hamster tokens in this exchange, which is 1,528 hamster tokens. For the final step, click on Sell Hamster over here. Congratulations, your hamster token is now sold successfully. And if you want to know if the transaction was successful, simply go back to your assets over here and click on Unified Trading. You should be able to see your sold token over here. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video. And if you're visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.